Mr. Trivendra Singh Rawat, and also the trophy from Mr. Atim Mashal, the chairman of Afghanistan Cricket Board. Asghar Standing Jai, he's done very well as captain of Afghanistan side, collecting the trophy. And now you can call your side as well, the entire team. Celebrations will just commence here in Dehradun. Joy all round for Afghanistan. They have done a wonderful job. Celebrations for the Afghan side. Back to the commentators out there.
Thank you, Ajay, and there's confirmation. The champions of the team of Bangladesh T20 between Afghanistan and Bangladesh, and that is our story for a while. As history has been made here in northern India, in Dehradun, where it seems first taste of international cricket and also a very convincing win.
تاسو پښتون افغان چینل سبسکرایب کړئ ته د سره بټن چې تاسو ته ښکاري تاسو په دې باندې کلیک وکړئ او د خوا کې سره بیل لاکن دی تاسو په دې باندې هم کلیک وکړئ چې ټول نه مخکې تاسو ته زما ویډیو در ورسي